This is where one of the trails comes out. I'm not sure exactly which one this is, but this is where it would come out. Pretty good and clean. I'm just not ready for it today. So that was alder back there. That's what I was afraid of. Take tea kettle down and see how it is, and then come back another day, hopefully when the snow's melted a little bit more.